It's going to be maybe a little bit sore, might be a little inflamed, and the inflammatory phase of wound healing lasts between about a week to 2 weeks. So we want to respect that phase, and that's when the body is sending a little bit of swelling. The lymphatic system is moving the lymph fluid around, pulling bacteria out of the area. It's a key component of the immune system because it's removing bacteria and helping to prevent infection. So that swelling is okay to be there. Also, it might be a little red, a little irritated. The inflammation is there because the vessels are open and we're bringing more blood to the area. The body is bringing more oxygen and nutrients by bringing more blood to the area. Now, what you can do is keep it elevated. So when you're walking, you can lay your hand right up on your chest, just so it's not swinging down by your side and throwing more excessive fluid in there, which will take up space and make it more uncomfortable. So keeping it elevated is good. And when you're sitting down watching TV or taking it easy, you can stack up some bed pillows on the armrest and have your hand above your heart. At night, it's okay. Your whole body is horizontal. Just be comfortable and get some sleep.